Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Jabra Elite 7 Active with your iPhone or iPad. First of all, you have to remove both earbuds from the charging case. And as you can see, we can find some indicators. So we have to wait until these indicators starts blinking blue. And we have to click and hold the left and the right and take a look for the indicators. When they are blinking, just release buttons, put them close to your iOS device, go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on with this switcher and select your Jabra Elite 7 Active from the list. Right now you can also download the Jabra application from the App Store. So we have to type Jabra Sound Plus. We have to get this one. Right now we can open. Click OK. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected thanks to the previously Bluetooth connection. We can skip in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.